Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for all the latest recipes, tips and tricks. If you're already here, thank you so much. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the most delicious curry beef ever. Alright, these are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with step-by-step instructions. Now let's get started. To my beef, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oil, some green seasoning, some beef and chicken bouillon, some curry powder, masala and Geerah habanero peppers, some garlic and mixed well. I did add some onions, celery, cilantro and mixed well. Guys, look at that, amazing. Now to make our curry paste, I have 4 tablespoons of curry powder and I'm also adding some masala and Geerah. We'll be adding some water and mix that well. Now for our meat, I add 3 tablespoons of oil and I add my beef in the pot and I would allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a good stir. Now to do our curry paste, I did add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the paste. The reason we're doing this is to fry the curry out, remove all the rawness from the curry and all the grains. Look at that. We want to achieve this nice, dark, rich color. Now we will go in with our potatoes, our onions, our garlic, some celery, some habanero peppers, some cilantro, and complete seasoning. Make sure to coat the potato as well. Fry that off for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we take that potato mixture and pour that into our meat mixture. Here we'll actually fry it again. Make sure you give that a good stir. The meat has already produced some good sauce already. So we just add a little bit of water at a time. Make sure to stir and taste, guys. You want a rich, flavorful curry. We do not want to have a long water curry, as they would say. Allow this to cook until the potato is nice and soft and the curry is nice and thick, not too thick. And this is so flavorful, guys. Look at that. Delicious. Guys, this is a must try. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you're going to try it also, please comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching and do enjoy. Bye-bye.